You won't be able to set up YouTube Kids on LG TV if you are not following the step till the end. So today I will tell you how to install YouTube Kids on LG TV step by step. So let's get started. First of all, take your smartphone and open the Google Lens on your mobile. Here you can see that Google Lens is showing on my mobile. You just need to click on that. And now you have to scan the barcode. As you can see, a link pop-up showing on my mobile screen. You just need to tap on that link. Once you click on it, it will ask for a 10-digit code. You just need to click on the continue button. Once you click on it, it will ask the prefer email ID, so which you want to create the YouTube Kids account. So click on that. I have selected the email ID. You just need to click on continue button. Once you click on it, it will fetch the details and it will show you YouTube Kids account. As you can see that I have showing my Family Center account in my mobile. Here are some accounts are already created. Now today I will tell you how to create the kids account. On the TV screen you can see that it is asking to create a child profile. So you have to use your mobile phone like that and now click on add a kid account. Now it is asking to create a name and age. You can randomly use any name and age. So let me do that. Now you have to select any random age. Now after that you have to click on next. So now it is asking for the details. So now you have to click on both the option and now click on I agree. Once you click on it, it will fetch the details as you can see that, and you will move to the next option. So now you have to choose the content setting according to your kid's age. So now you have to select either preschool, younger or old age. So let me select the preschool. Now you have to click on continue. As you can see that you are almost done. Now you have to click on continue. Now as you can see that all set is showing. Now again you have to click on done. Now as you can see that the new account has been created. As you can see that I have just created that account. Now you can click on that and explore the options. Now here are the options like what they can watch. You can just click on it. Now here you can see that there is content settings showing. Now in the content and video preferences, you can select the hide autoplay. This option is hide when your child continuously play the YouTube Kids video. So if you select the hide on, it will not autoplay the all videos. And now there another option is unblock videos and channel that you blocked on YouTube Kids. If you have recently blocked any video, it will allow you to unblock that video. Now move to the next option. This is privacy settings. Now click on that. Here is the option which you can pause the watch history. Suppose you want to pause any history of your child. If you want to pause the history, then you can turn it on, otherwise leave as it is. Now another option is pause search history. If your kid's trying to search anything and you want to stop that searching, then you can turn it on. If you want to clear the history, then you can click on the clear history. When you click on it, it will ask to delete the history. You just need to click on that delete and it will automatically delete all the history which is previously watched by your child. These are the privacy setting I have discussed with you. Now I will tell you how to connect your YouTube Kids on LG Smart TV. For that you have to go to on your Smart TV. So let's go. So now for that you have to now click on OK. Once you click on it, as you can see that the account is already showing on the screen. You just need to tap on it. Before tapping, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow for more videos. Now you have to click on the profile which you have created now. You just need to tap on it. You just need to tap on it through your remote. As you can see that you are successfully get login to the LG Smart TV. Now let me tell you how to log out. So you just need to go to your profile like that, and now you have to click on that profile. Now you have to click on exit YouTube Kids. If you want to exit through the profile, then you can tap on it. If you want to switch to another profile, then you can click on another profile and tap on it. If you have created already an account of YouTube Kids. So if you don't know how to create multiple accounts, here is the video in I button. So you can click on it and watch how to create multiple accounts. So here is the LG Smart TV. If you want to buy this LG Smart TV, the link is in description. You can buy it. It will give some commission and it will motivate us. Now let me tell you that if you have already logged into your profile, which you have created fresh account, you can't log in on your smart TV. So here is the main account. If you have not logged in your main account, you can't show your kids account which you have created under it. So first of all, you have to log in your main account. So if you have not logged in your main account, let me tell you how to log in your main account first. So let's go. So now here you can see that there is an option of YouTube activation. So now you have to scan the barcode with your Google Lens. So open your Google Lens. Now you have to click on the lens and now scan the barcode. And now you have to again click on the link. And now you have to select the email ID which you have created your child account under it. Make sure the main email ID which you have used to create your child account. Now you have to select that email ID. Now click on continue. Once you click on it, it will ask the 10-digit code and it is automatically get fetched. So now you have to click on continue. Once you click on it, it will ask again to connect. Now click on connect. Now once you click on connect, it will take some time to fetch the details and it will automatically get login. As you can see that your main account has successfully get login, and just near it you can see the new account which we have successfully created under it. We have told you how to create your YouTube Kids account and log in with your main email ID. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow for more videos.